Welcome to Pathways of the Inner Spirit. Today we're going to share a powerful sleep technique that can help you manifest your deepest desires. Imagine transforming your life while you sleep. It's possible, and we're here to show you how. From manifesting a dream home to growing a successful business or finding true love, this technique has the potential to change your life. So stay with us as we explore how to use the law of attraction to make your dreams come true faster. Let's get started. One of the biggest challenges people face when trying to manifest their dreams is the analytical mind. When we try to visualize our dreams as already realized, our mind often rejects the idea because it feels incongruent with our current reality. You might think, I want to manifest my dream job, but then your mind kicks in with, no, you haven't done it yet. This creates a conflict and blocks the manifestation process. However, there is a way to bypass this part of the mind. Our self-image, or the picture who we think we are, resides in the subconscious mind. This self-image dictates the quality of our lives because it influences our thoughts, feelings, and actions. The good news is, you can change your self-image and, in turn, change your life. Most of our thoughts and behaviors are pre-programmed by our culture, upbringing, and environment, which means they can be reprogrammed. Your subconscious mind is most accessible right before you fall asleep. As your conscious mind relaxes, you can start to influence your subconscious mind more effectively. Before bed, instead of focusing on what you don't have, shift your attention to the person you want to become. Visualize yourself living your dream life with all your desires already manifested. Here's the technique. Close your eyes and start imagining your ideal self. See yourself in your dream job, smiling and confident. Visualize having an amazing relationship, living in your dream home, and feeling a deep connection with yourself and others. Spend the last 10 minutes before you fall asleep in this state of visualization. Picture yourself with no fears, fully embracing your full potential. By doing this, you're accessing a hypnotic brainwave state, making it easier to reprogram your subconscious mind. When you change how you view yourself, you change who you are and how you show up in the world. This transformation attracts better opportunities, relationships, and experiences into your life. Remember, success is something you attract by the person you become. By upgrading your self-image, you align your subconscious mind with your desires, making manifestation effortless. Start tonight. As you prepare for bed, visualize the amazing person you want to be. See yourself achieving your goals, living joyfully, and connecting deeply with others. Let this seep into your subconscious mind and watch your life transform. You already have everything you need within you. It's about releasing fear, doubt, and past limitations. Embrace your true potential and let your self-image reflect the incredible person you are. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and for more content on manifestation and personal growth. Remember, your journey to a fulfilled life starts with the right mindset. Good night and happy manifesting.